Today we tackle a classic debate. Ndiani akambotanga neSungura? Who really we call the father of Sungura music? That's a question mark. Is it the legends like John Chibadura, Leonard Dembo, or is it the man who carried Sungura into modern times? Alec Macheso. Let's break it all down. Like, comment, share and subscribe. Let's get to 1K. We can do it, guys. Sungura is more than just a genre. It's a heartbeat of Zimbabwean township life, being born in the 70s and early 80s as Zimbabwe was breaking free from colonial rule. Tikanyatsoteeresa sound inobuda pamusic dzeSungura tinoona kuti it didn't appear from nowhere. It was borrowed heavily from the Congolese rumba and soukons, which were popular across Africa at the time. But Zimbabwean musicians added their own twist, fast-paced lead and rhythm guitars with heavy basses and lyrics that spoke directly to struggles and joy of ordinary people. Mona, which means takati guitar redu rinenge rakuita fast mbijana with my rhythm guitars and my heavy bass lines. Mona man. Sungura became the soundtrack of working class, played mabiahos, my combis as well as my growth points, and also for my weddings. It wasn't polished city music. It was raw and spoke to people in Shona, their mother language. That's why it stuck. Say the Ephraim Joe and the Sungura boys, who literally carried the generous name. They had the foundation in the late 70s. Papa Zouya John Chibadura. He had a golden voice and catchy guitar lines that people made him a superstar in the 80s. He often remains as one of the first to take Sungura beyond the townships. Also, Pozoito Nicholas Zakaria Madzibaba, who is believed to be a mentor of various Sungura artists, including Nandugudze. Write down in the comment section the musician, a great musician actually, who was mentored by Nicholas Zakaria. When someone asks who studied Sungura, it was not so simple. The genre was shaped by many heads, each to adding something. Then we fast forward to the 90s arrived. With it came a musician who would completely redefine Sungura. His name is Alec Macheso. Macheso wasn't just another artist. He was Nicholas Zacharias' protege. But when he went solo, he brought new energy. His guitar skills were unmatched. People still argue his bass guitar riffs are the best Africa has ever had. It's like Mandikumbuke, Simbaradzo Madau turned him into a household name. But what really sent him apart were the stage play. He also took Sungura internationally, performing in the UK, South Africa and beyond. And while many pioneers laid the foundation, it's Macheso who carried Sungura into the 2000s and kept it alive when the Zim dancehall started dominating in Zimbabwe. Today he is recognized as the king of Sungura. So ndiani akatanga neSungura? Was it Ephraim Joe, John Chibadura, Leonard Dembo, or we should just admit that Macheso's version of Sungura makes him the one who invented Sungura? So it's all yours. Write down in the comment section your favorite Sungura artist and also who you think started Sungura. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, share and subscribe. This has been Jay Zimnos 1K subs. Let's